Okay, people out there in YouTube land, I just got my band from Invicta, and this is a service Invicta. It's not authentic, okay, but they've been authorized to sell, parts and watches, and this is coming all the way from the Netherlands. Let me show you, Invicta service, and that's from the Netherlands. This thing cost me about 51 euros, and it comes out to approximately 58 bucks in American dollars. So there you have it. I have this particular watch, which lost its straps. Of course, as you know, I'm a big proponent of Invicta, but I also am an opponent of their watch bands. Now, this is the new watch band here, and it comes with the buckle. It's even got the wrapping around it, and you see a little winged insignia. Invicta means victory for those who don't know. And then it even comes with the slots for the pushers. And this is what I was looking for, because the other one I had did not have pushers, and I got that off Amazon for like 30 bucks. But this one was double in price, but it's close, or it is, from Invicta itself, and it's in the Netherlands. So I did save some money because Invicta was selling these things for 79 bucks. So I saved about 20 bucks, and that's a good thing. So I'm kind of glad that I was able to get that. But again, I'm going to take it to the jeweler or the watch guy here around this area, and there is even has, look at this, even on the inside, Invicta. So, and it has the it has the holes. Now, fortunately, I saved the screws. And I advise everybody, once you have watches like this, save all the hardware, that screws, buckles, and everything, because some of these places will send you just the strap itself or just a watch band without any without any of the hardware. And fortunately, I have the hardware here. I have the old hardware, which I saved, and they even sent me the new hardware with this, which I am very, very thankful. So it's going to the shop this week, and this is brother from the third stone, man. I think this is a 6481, 6481, and I got it, and it'll be ready to rock and roll. It also has to have a battery. So I am out. Remember, I will probably post a link at the bottom of this video, so you'll know exactly where to go and get it and get your watch bands. All right, later.